Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn how we can easily download and install iTunes on Windows. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type Microsoft Apps and press enter. This will take you to apps.microsoft.com. Click. Now, whatever application you want, just type here. We want iTunes and press enter. When you'll press enter, on the top itself, the official will be visible. Click on Get in Store app. Now click on Open Microsoft Store, minimize. Now you'll be getting an option of Get. You can see it is officially from Apple only. Click Get and it will now download and then install on its own. We have installed it. Click Open. Click Agree. Click on Agree again. Now here it is. It's visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install iTunes on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.